Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market showing some controversial sign as few altcoins are doing well and few others just correcting. But this is how it's always goes. So let's go into. My name is Mike Dankler. I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for education purposes only and for fun. So let's smash those like and push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I'm sharing my screen and let's check our favorite bubble charts and see what's happening. As you see, a few coins are doing well, especially Solo. We will look into what is Solo, but this is a huge 40% pump. But EDA Cardano started to just coming back from the death and showing some signs of life, and also OKB, Myota, Matic, IOTEX, Uniswap, and Atom is doing well, but we see Avalanche, Cardano, Phantom, STX, SafeMoon, Vemix, Elrond correcting, but all these pump really well. So we see some coins pumping for 1 or 2 days and then correcting. So this is how it is. And let's go and check our favorite indicators, the crypto fear and greed index. And you see that the index is at 32. So it is in the fear zone, but not an extreme fear, just a fear. And you know, when investors are fearful, that it's a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting greedy, that is due for a correction. So greediness can last for months, but now we are almost in the neutral zone or even in the fear zone, but not in the extreme fear as we were in the summer time. So let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin test traders' nerves as analyst ratios 400,000 BTC price forecast. Okay, so long-term Bitcoin price prediction contrasts with the current status quo as buy-in targets drop to 47,000. So if we need to drop to 47,000, let's drop as soon as we can and then start to pump towards 400,000. Nothing has changed. So according to this analysis, Michael van der Poppe summarized levels to watch for buys 54,000 US dollar zone and 47 and 50,000 US dollar zones for Bitcoin when to buy altcoins December. Nothing has changed past weeks. And reminder peak high bull cycle predictions Bitcoin to 350 and 450,000 US dollar, Ethereum to 10,000 and 17,500, Polkadot to 250 and 350 US dollar, Chainlink to 250 and 350, Cardano 10 to 20 US dollar, Zilliqa 5 to 7, Aaron 150 to 170, 1,750, and they are also revising now, and DIA is 50. So good to see that Aaron is revised because the first target was 500 and 650, but now he added almost 1,000 into Aaron price prediction. Open interest stays near all-time highs, so the sentiment is almost the same. At some point, this open interest is going to get flushed out one direction or another. Analyst William Clementi commented. So let's check this chart, and we see that these orange is the futures open interest, and this is the price of Bitcoin, and we see the open interest is high when we are getting closer to the new all-time high, and also when the open interest is at lower levels, that we can expect a nice bull run as we also experienced it. So this is definitely, we want to see open interest to drop and price then continue to go upwards. Funding rates were mostly neutral across exchanges Thursday, so nothing special, nothing extraordinary regarding funding rates. So just a side note here that 106 million worth of Metaverse Land sold last week, according to DeepRadar. Let's check this news, but later let's put it on in the end. Okay. So let's go to our next news. Nicholas Merton predicts one Bitcoin could potentially break out to 200,000 US dollar. So guys, first we need to break towards 100,000 US dollar. Then we can talk about 200, but we like Nicholas Merton, so nothing wrong with this. So you can go ahead and say this. It might be that we see the expanding cycles theory broken to some degree, and we go all the way to 200,000 US dollar, but that is a really optimistic narrative here. Okay. So what is that Bitcoin go from here? 78% price move from where we stand at the moment over 3 trading months doesn't seem like a crazy ask to me. Seems like a quite conservative estimation according to the data science that we have, expanding cycles and how we know crypto can move. Crypto can easily move 60 to 80% move within this time frame. Okay, so he expect that crypto can move fast. And let's check what is he saying about Ethereum. He makes massive Ethereum prediction for end of bull cycle. Here is his target. Okay. If everything goes perfect for Ethereum, if we get that opportunity to be able to get ETH to launch properly, people using rollups, whether it be zero knowledge rollups or optimistic rollups, generally layer 2 solutions, we could see a 20,000 US dollar Ethereum this cycle. I know it sounds crazy, but when you look at the logarithmic charts, we have seen this kind of percentage returns before. I think it's very reasonable we could see this kind of price level somewhere between our neutral and optimistic target. The play is safe if it would say that we have got a really solid steady stream of price action for Ethereum ahead of us. The key thing to understand is that there are periods of this cycle where Ethereum outpaces Bitcoin, which makes these higher targets reasonable. Okay, so 20,000 Ethereum top in this cycle. This is 5 times from here. Yeah, I like it. US firm WisdomTree lists crypto ETF on Euronext. So guys, we got the news yesterday that Fidelity listed a spot Bitcoin ETF in Canada. And I see that all these US firms and US investment banks are coming to Europe because I'm from Europe, and they are going to Canada. So I wouldn't be surprised if some US firm would go to Australia. Maybe, yeah, Warnock also went to Australia, if I'm right. So this is insane. And the SEC cannot cannot accrue the real spot Bitcoin ETF. So that is why everybody just moving to different regions. So I think the US is losing more of it on this, that it will win when they will have this proper regulation on this. Bitcoin Capital AG launches 2 crypto ETFs on Swiss exchanges. So AG acting as Herrschaft. This is a German and Swiss form of like similar like LTD and limited. So good to hear that. And Six Exchange is the Swiss stock exchange. So I really like where I see that the Swiss stock exchange also listing different Bitcoin and crypto ETFs. Bitcoin Capital AG is a family office and FISC AG subsidiary based in Zug, Switzerland. So guys, CorionX is also based in Zug. In July, Bitcoin Capital introduced to actively manage Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin Capital Active ETF on the 6th Swiss exchange. So congratulations to them. Next piece of news is Jack Dorsey focuses on Bitcoin after stepping down as Twitter CEO. So that was the news yesterday that Jack Dorsey is leaving Twitter as a CEO and he will focus on Twitter. Square Incorporation is now Block. So Square renamed the company to Block. And also Square Crypto is now Spiral. So guys, how powerful Block and Spiral. And also we will look into because I shared on my Twitter feed. Square Crypto was never the best name for our team, so now we are Spiral plans for expansion. So they are also working on decentralized exchange for Bitcoin and also Bitcoin mining, cloud mining or kind of mining capability, and also Lightning Network. So this is a huge news. So Jack Dorsey is a huge pioneer of Bitcoin, and I'm really happy that he's granting more time to Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey Square changes name to Block as it aims to make Bitcoin the planet's preferred currency. So this is not just a currency, a planet's preferred currency. We are changing our company name so we can give the full Square brand to our seller business. So now we need a name to Square, Cash App, Tidal, and TBD together into one. The name is Block. Also Cash App. I even didn't know that Cash App belongs to Square, but now at least I know. Block to build its own metaverse. Square Crypto, Spiral BTC, not just Spiral BTC. Company also hinted at building its own fully fledged metaverse soon, in a move that will see it scale competition with a list of companies already fighting for dominance in the space, including Meta. Meta is the previous Facebook, Microsoft, Epic Games, Roblox, among others. So guys, I see that the big players, Microsoft, Epic Games, Facebook, Meta, Twitter, Square is turning to a metaverse, and also Amazon will turn into a metaverse some days, and all these huge Web 2.0 giants will come in the metaverse. Welcome in the metaverse. So Square changes name to Block, reflecting CEOs Jack Dorsey's Bitcoin endeavors. Square Crypto will rename Spiral BTC, not just Spiral. We build the Square brand for our seller business, which is where it belongs. Okay, this is almost the same, so nothing new. Just the headline is different. And this article was in 2018. So guys, 3 years ago. Twitter CEO says Bitcoin will rule the world by 2028. So we have 7 years to get there. Bitcoin will be the single currency on the planet with the next 10 years. So this is definitely huge. And I think the world ultimately will have a single currency. The internet will have a single currency, and this will be Bitcoin. Cool. Let's go to our next news and check this. What a surprise. Facebook Meta removes its ban of crypto ads. So Facebook banned crypto ads in 2017 because that was this ICO boom and with a lot of scammy and a lot of scam projects, and because they removed all crypto ads, but now removing the ban of crypto ads. Facebook and a change perspective. Yeah, so because they are coming to Metaverse, so they are working on everything that it's connected to crypto. So they cannot keep this ban because then it would look really insane to keep up the ban when they are building the same that they are banning. So okay, for now, I think also Facebook will use the ads promoting the metaverse and Novi Wallet. Bank of America sees massive opportunity in metaverse for entire crypto ecosystem. So guys, how huge is this? A banks few days ago, just in 2017, 2018, said that Bitcoin is a fraud, Bitcoin will disappear, Bitcoin do this, do that, and nothing, crypto is not an asset class, and so on. And now, Bank of America sees a massive opportunity in metaverse. Guys, I'm sure that all banks will come into metaverse and they will close the physical branches. They will close all physical branches and opening metaverse branches in the metaverse. And you will reach out to them online in the metaverse. Bank of America's strategist says that the metaverse is a massive opportunity where cryptocurrencies will be widely used as currencies. I definitely believe this is a massive opportunity. So guys, metaverse is a massive opportunity where cryptocurrencies will be widely used as currencies. This coming from a bank strategist, not just an analyst, a strategist. I definitely believe this is a massive opportunity. You need the right platforms. That is definitely going to be a big opportunity for this entire ecosystem. So guys, you know that Adidas bought a property in the sandbox metaverse. Maybe Bank of America will be the neighbor of Adidas, and who knows, and Tesla. Okay, and you can go to get a lease for your Tesla at Bank of America in the metaverse. So, guys, let's check this. 106 million worth of Metaverse Land sold last week. Undoubtedly, Metaverse Land is the next big thing, big hit in the NFT space, outputting record sales numbers and constantly increasing NFT prices. Virtual worlds are now a new top commodity in the crypto space. So guys, you don't have to go out and look for houses and lands and properties. Just come into Metaverse and pick up one plot and one property, and then maybe you will make more money out of it, and you don't have to struggle with the physical property. Okay, so virtual worlds are the new top commodity in the crypto space. Facebook, in their attempt to usurp the narrative of the metaverse, caused a chain reaction of other companies not in Web 3.0, such as Microsoft, to also announce their metaverse strategies and created mass interest and awareness. Yeah, and also we have Decentraland, Mana, Fashion Street District, just 2.7 million at current price, and also top NFT sales, Fashion Street Estates. So this is like a rodeo drive. You can purchase all these punks and NFTs and Fashion Street stuff. So that is huge. Smash those like, guys. Smash those like. I'm bringing you the most relevant crypto news that you can just develop and just topping up yourself and just be in the space and take out most of the benefits out of this space. And this is what's this? Yeah, this is the chicken thing. That will be a new play to earn fantasy game on Solana. So I would definitely look into it. I think these chicks things will be huge, and they are doing this token generation even maybe after the huge pump will ending that will be a good buying opportunity. But nothing is a financial advice. So guys, let's go and you find our Telegram link and all social media links in the description, and also you find other important links like exchange links and some you can order a crypto.com cards or Coinbase cards. You will get cashback. You will get a free bonus if you are ordering these cards. So definitely check out the description of the videos and use this for good. With this, you are supporting the channel, and also you find different important things there. And join our Telegram channel. You find it in the description as well. And we are talking different things here. So we are sharing these videos, and also check out this video from our ambassador Jeff, and also we have different things. Now we have both farms running, but I will show you. So Ethereum network is live, and the farm on Ethereum network is doing well. So you can earn 330% APR. But now let's check out the description. So you have this description here. You find our DeFi platform on the Binance Smart Chain, our DeFi platform in Ethereum, and you can stake and earn almost 300% APRs, and you can bridge between networks. Also, there is the Polkadot Parachain auctions. Check out, and you find these valuable links. Join our Telegram, follow us on Twitter. So, guys, let's go and check few charts. Let's see what is going on out there. Where is my chart? Okay, so this is the Cardano ADA chart, and there was a massive downtrend on Cardano. It lost almost half of its value, and now we see maybe it's bottoming out, and we see some sign that broke this resistance. We will see a nice retest of this resistance. Maybe on the 4-hourly, we see a nice retest. Then this 1.48 could be the bottom for Cardano ADA, and I think lots of ADA fans would be happy to see further continuation. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is sidewaving, Bitcoin is consolidating, and Bitcoin is in the no man's land between support and resistance, almost in the middle. The resistance is at 56,000. I think this is holding for now. The next resistance is 53, and next support is 53, and the resistance is at 60 and 61,000 US dollar. Bitcoin dominance is almost the same, but just fall further. But now it's just sidewaving. And what about Bitcoin shorts? So I see a little bit Bitcoin shorts increased in the past few hours, but nothing serious here. And let's check others. What others doing? Aaron did a kind of fake out yesterday, so broke out and then fall back, and now is sitting right on our trend line. So we'll follow it, and I think it will come down. So already came down to our Fibonacci retracement level at the 23.6. So maybe the next is 336. So I would pick up some Aaron at these levels. Ethereum is consolidating, coming back from this previous local top, and this is a kind of bull flag, but it's really coming down really sharply. So if Ethereum will break out or down from here, that we will see a nice movement, but maybe it will sidewaving here and then going up and starting to do new all-time high. Energy Web Token went ballistic today. So yesterday pumped from these lows, and then just went up almost 44%. So this is definitely huge within 2 days. So Energy Web Token, congratulations if you're holding some. So a few times I'm talking about Energy Web Token because this is one of the major crypto assets connected to the energy sector. Matic is still doing well, broke out from this resistance, touched our next resistance, and now sitting below support at resistance. Solana is going up nicely. So actually Solana broke out, and this breakout seems to valid for now. And we can see further continuation to 260 previous highs. Next, yes, Uniswap looking good. So also Uniswap showing some signs, and we can expect Uniswap going further from here. Uniswap almost did this and now broke out. So good to see that. Yeah, Mooriver is on the brink of breaking out here. We'll see if it can break through and retest, and then I would pick up some One Harmony. Yes, doing something that we don't have clear direction, but maybe also it can be a breakout. Cardano is just side waving, so that was a fake out and now side waving. Maybe Aaron will do the same, but this shows me that there is a horizontal resistance, horizontal support here. Sandbox is correcting. Also, that was a sign that may be breaking out, but not. And Gala also correcting. So good to see these overhyped metaverse and gaming coins are coming down. Shiba Inu. Actually, Shiba Inu consolidating here, lost this pump and then came back to our resistance zone and now consolidating. Maybe I would pick up some Shiba Inu here, or if coming down to here. So this is a short technical analysis. Definitely come and check out our farm. We have some nice rewards on the Binance Margin Farm, 188 and 277%. We will adjust maybe on the weekend, and then you will find higher APRs here. And also, if you are holding CorionX Ethereum version on ERC20 version, then you will earn 3,300 APR if looking up in the CorionX Ethereum API. And if you stake just your CorionX token, that also you will earn 100%. So good to see that all our farms providing nice APRs. So guys, this is for today. Please smash those like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Invite your friends to follow our channel. Share this video with your friends, and also share this video in other crypto communities. And smash those like. Happy to having you here. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.